Ooh, whose ride is this?
Yeah, I gotta get a quarter hour. Yeah, it says.
Damn. What?
Oh yeah, so much.
Bro. Do you mind if I hear this, baby?
Yeah, sure. That's right.
Well, what kind of exhaust are you running on this baby?
I think it's Rush, I think.
Roche?
Yeah.
Dude, it's sticking out the sides too, eh? Oh, you running boost, bro? Woo! Oh, I love the sound. Hold on. 1 second, I gotta hear this. You hear that, bro? Yeah, man. Yo, did that hit VTEC? That was dope.
Thanks, man.
Good job, man. Good job. That thing was loud.
Dude, Prochargers sound amazing. Very trying to argue with me, but I love the sound of that.
That's crazy. Do you have to oil the bearing in there?
I think you do, actually. That's what I was told by the old one.
Like a lot of air.
15,000K I think you have to do it, so I'm still far away from
15,000K?
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
I probably only put 5,000, if that, so far this year.
Yeah.
Whew.
You really code?
I'm all excited now.
Yeah, you gotta
Fucking like fog or shit. Yeah. Remember like you have fog?
For sure, man.
Like your turbo, like,
2-1.
Dude. How big's the like the throttle body actually? Did you change that? Is it
Sure,
stock?
no, that's factory. The guy got it off, told me I had a whole bunch of stuff done and I didn't know much about it, and I believed him, but I guess he said it had a bigger throttle body, which it hasn't got.
Yeah.
And says it has headers, which it does have, surprisingly.
Yeah.
But he also said it had a whole bunch of internal stuff done, which Tony's, by like the looking at it, he said it didn't.
Didn't. He just said that to sell it, right?
Yeah, exactly. And like me had never driven a V8 car before, I guess. And when I got it in, I was like, yeah, it seems like it's all there, but
cool. Well, what's the gas mileage on this baby?
not good.
Not good?
I can watch it, the needle pretty much go down in it.
About 3 miles per gallon?
Yeah. I traded my sport bike for this thing.
For this thing?
Yeah.
Like the supercharger or the whole vehicle?
Just the supercharger. And then cost another $4,000 to put it in with Tony's labor and check.
Tony Kurz.
Yeah.
He's the guy here, eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So it's still needs some tweaking in the tune for sure.
Yeah.
Not building boost all the time properly, but
Does he do dyno?
when it does, no.
No? So what are you gonna do?
So get him to tweak it, give him some more time with it, I guess, and see what we can do.
That looks freaking dope.
Yeah, it's
So it's a 5.7, eh?
Yeah.
What year?
05.
05? What about the body?
05 as well.
Next thing you got a drop kit on this thing.
Yeah, I think it's 3 inches, I was told.
3 inches?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, she said it's pretty low.
That's bigger than what I got.
Scrapes everything.
What's the kit on that? Looks freaking dope though.
Yeah, thanks, man.
So like from the crank, what are you pulling right now? You think?
I didn't even get it on dyno yet. I went to this no club car meet and they had a dyno there, but my car wouldn't get up on the ramp. This
Because it's
too
so low.
steep, yeah,
it's too low, man.
It was the cheapest like dyno tuning or dyno recorder I've ever seen too. It was only like $60 to do it.
It's really warm.
Yeah, right. I know. It's touching.
Did you have to upgrade the radiator at all?
It's got the intercooler or the outer cooler, one or the other, but I think it's still factory rad.
Yeah. Tires, what are you rolling all around? Like 275s all around kind of thing?
I tried that, but even 245s are rubbing in the front.
Yeah.
275s in the back. So we did wires, plugs, injectors, and then a tune and labor. Ran 4Gs.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I'll never get that money back out of this bad boy, but it's fun.
Is this the one that was online on Kijiji? Or there was a different one, right?
Different one, yeah. This guy was up by Collingwood, I think, that I got this from.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I traded my 03 SV 650S sport bike for the Charger kit.
Now, here's the ultimate question. Did you change the internals?
Nope. No, so it's running. I think I have 290,000 K on it. So
Whatever. If you
Yeah.
break it, you break it, right?
exactly.
Or you could change. You got new internals,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. I'll see what happens.
See what happens. Yeah.
I'm at the budget for this year though.
What's the PSI?
8 I think is what
8?
we're around at. Yeah.
Nice. Not bad, man. Driving in winter too?
Yeah, winter, I guess. Like on dry days, anyways, because thing breaks loose just like right now. And
Just by sitting down, it's breaking loose right now. It's not even on.
yeah, exactly. So
Nice.
I got winters for it too, but I don't know. I won't drive it in the snow probably anyway. It's just too deadly.